Hello. Namaste. My name is Laura, and today I am delighted to guide you through a grounding breath work practice. This is a breathing technique that helps to connect us with Muladhara chakra, the root chakra, and it is a foundational breath to help us to connect more deeply with our breathing, to find a slower, steadier rhythm, and it's very user-friendly. So you can practice this from seated or from laying back. You can choose. What is most important is that we are lengthening through the spine. So you can stretch out on your back or sit nice and tall. You might like to close down through the eyes and begin to sense the natural flow of your breath. The natural ebb and flow. Feel the breath moving within your body, moving in and out. Feel the body moving around each breath. Your breath draws down and into the body, and the body expands as if relaxing outward. Breath flows up and out of the body on the exhale, and feel your body relaxing downward and inward, as if grounding inward and downward. Breathing in, filling up, body expands. Breathing out, emptying, body softens, relaxes. And keep breathing in this way. And bring one hand to your belly. Then with this hand on the belly, invite, on your next inhalation, invite the belly to stretch out into the hands. So you're filling into the space of the belly here. Let the belly reach out in all directions. As you exhale, the navel draws in toward the spine, softly, gently. Breathe in, fill the belly. Breathe out, empty this space. You can breathe in and out through the nose, or maybe in through the nose, out of the mouth. Feel the movement of breath in the belly here. Then you can keep this hand on the belly. Take the opposite hand to the low ribs. You may wrap your hand, your arm around the lower rib cage. Breathe into the belly now and the low ribs. Breathe out from both of these spaces, fully emptying, releasing this breath. So you can take a nourishing breath in to the belly, then the low ribs. Feel them feathering outward. Exhale, empty, let go. If it's helpful, you can take both hands to the low ribs. You can do this with one hand on either side. You might even crisscross the hands if that's more comfortable. One more breath into the belly and the low ribs. Exhale, empty. Let go. Draw one hand to the belly now, one hand up to the chest. Resting a hand on the chest. Okay, now we breathe into the belly, low ribs, and chest. You might feel the mid, then the upper ribs expanding. Release this breath. Exhale fully. Inhale, belly. Stretching out in all directions. Low ribs. Feather them out. Fill the chest, mid, upper ribs. Exhale. So this slow breath can be found at your own pace. Find a pace that's comfortable for you. We don't want to strain or overstretch the breath. Feel these parts filling one by one. In yoga, this is called sometimes the three-part breath. In Sanskrit, dirgha pranayama. Dirgha meaning to deepen. Feel yourself deepening into your inner space, your awareness moving inward just as the breath does. Maintaining and even expanding your lung capacity with this breath. You might relax your hands down and keep going. You can keep the hands on the body if you prefer. Allow your breath to soften back into its natural rhythm. Allow yourself a moment to notice how you feel. And you can keep the eyes closed for as long as you wish to. And I'd love to extend to you today a special invitation. This invitation is to the School of Living Yoga's Embodied Wisdom 200-hour yoga teacher training. This is an online training that is actually themed and flows with the 7 chakras. So one of the first techniques that you will learn, starting with the root chakra, is this breath, dirgha pranayama, the full yogic breath or abdominal breathing. All throughout this journey, this 9-month journey that is go at your own pace, you will be learning about different techniques suited to each chakra, asanas, meditations, pranayama techniques. You will learn about the yamas and the niyamas and lots about the ancient wisdoms and philosophies of yoga, the 8-limbed path. As you're moving through this journey, you'll also be not just learning about, but teaching different parts of a yoga class, of a hatha yoga class, centering, warming stretches, the arc of the class, the flow that you might have planned that you get to creatively design all on your own, the cool down, the shavasana. All throughout the 9-month journey, you're learning about these ways to formulate an entire yoga class and teaching. At the end of the journey, you feel entirely equipped. You have the skills, the resources, and the confidence to teach a whole entire class. I have another video here on my channel that goes more in depth about this unique program, this online self-paced program that is beautifully designed to suit any schedule. I'll leave a link for you in this video to find that more in-depth description of the 200-hour Embodied Wisdom Yoga Teacher Training. Of course, if you want to learn more, you can always book a call with me and we can have a little discovery connection chat one-on-one. We can discuss this training further if you feel the call to participate in this year's cohort. I do want to let you know that enrollment only opens once a year, and we have just less than 2 weeks, just a little bit shy of a 2-week time period now before we begin. So it's not too late to apply, but we don't want to delay. So if you're interested, be sure to visit the link below to book a call with me, and we can chat about this training further, about any questions that you might have. And I will also link at the end of this video a compilation of testimonials from our students last year and all of their beautiful reflections about their experience in this training. So you can hear it not just from me and the staff at the School of Living Yoga, but from our Sangha, our community that continues to connect with us and to share with us about their experience and to flourish after their training. So you can check that out and listen to their testimonials here. I hope that you will consider this opportunity for yourself of transformation and self-discovery, of healing, and I am really looking forward to seeing you soon, and hopefully at the autumnal equinox when we begin this year's round of the Embodied Wisdom 200-hour training. So much love to you. Be well.